Having new dreams, being in new places, setting new goals was no longer a fantasy.
And it needed to become real.
I know now I need to become a new me.
Who I am, who I'm supposed to be, an entrepreneur.
Finding my niche is not going to be a walk in the park.
There will be long nights and sacrifices to be made. But for the first time, I'm ready to embrace this journey.
When I close my eyes, I'm thinking of family, I'm thinking of love, I'm thinking of a recipe for rising above. Show me this, I'll do that to make money. Yes, I'll do it all. The entrepreneur in me.
"10 years. And all I got was an email." They really out of pocket for this one. 10 years of my life, just to be let go and fired. But it's cool. I'm done being the pawn in someone else's game. I'm done asking for permission to exist. Lord, you didn't give me this brain just to beg for a job. You gave it to me to build a legacy. Lord, I see the path now. You said the fire they tried to put out was the very thing keeping the building standing. Thank you for the exit.
God, I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm trying to be the man. I'm trying to be the provider for me and my mom. But this house is heavy, Lord. It's pressing down on my spirit like these old brick walls. I feel stuck on this survival frequency. I don't just want a check. I need financial security. I'm starting this business in your name today. Please send me the right people I need to meet and give me the sharp mind to see opportunities.
Philadelphia, the city of winners. But out here, most people are losing because they're stuck in a system built to keep them small. This is the MSB building. To most, it's just a place to pay a bill or wait in a long line. But to a founder, this is the battlefield. Look closely. Two strangers, two different lives, but they are both vibrating on the same survival frequency. They have the genius. Now they just need the tools.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You on minute 3 of the reset too?
I had to. Look, the line inside here, it's broadcasting heavy on Struggle FM. I'm just trying to stay positive.
Real talk. If the spirit ain't right, the paperwork won't matter. I'm Marcus.
I'm Nia. And honestly, I'm just trying to get this paper stamp so I can finally own something for real. They make you feel like you're begging for a life you already worked for.
That part right there. That's the glitch in the system. They want you begging, so you don't realize you're the one with all the power. You already did the work, Nia. You just don't have the system.
The system? What you talking about, Marcus?
Look, I was online late last night, and I came across this website, the H.A.E. Academy. I seen they were offering free and low-cost resources to help people who want to become their own boss. Not just a hustle, but a real company.
What you mean? Like, actually run your own business? In Philly?
Exactly. Look, I'm headed down the bottom to clear my head. You should really get that $12 launch kit I was talking about. It helped me breathe when I was facing some tough times. It helps you keep your head in the game.
Cool. I'll check that out. $12 I can do. Have a good one, Marcus. And stay safe out here.
What's up, y'all? Your girl Cece here. Hope y'all enjoying the journey of Nia and Marcus finding their way to freedom and true autonomy. We now need your help. The story is now in your hands. You are the CEO of this decision. What should Nia and Marcus do next? Leave your answer in the comment section below, and if yours get picked, you got a prize coming to you. Don't forget to tune in to next Monday and continue the journey.